All right, let's put some music. Okay, so let's see. The task is to let me put the music a little bit lower. All right, so we are programming on TypeScript to this task. Let's open TypeScript, and what we want to do is this file mock calendar. We have this kind of objects. We have an array of objects inside this calendar, and we can see that they have a start date, an end date, so a location, title, type, room, whatever. But what we want to do is to create some mock objects like this on an array with dates that are for the afternoons. Let me check. We need 3 reminders a day for 7 days. Okay, so let's do the reminders, one at 12, one at 3, and one at 5. So this is what we want to do, this object. Let's write here the task is 3 reminders a day for 7 days, and the times are at 12 p.m., at 3 p.m., and at 5 p.m. Okay. I will just maybe, is that big enough? Okay, I'm not moving that one. Maybe this one. That's better. Now, how do I move my one? Here. Okay, so that's it on TypeScript. So first of all, let's go and call this chat GPT. Let's create a new conversation, and now let's say using TypeScript make, is this big enough? Let me see on OBS. Oh, I'm in the way. Let's move my, okay, here maybe, and let's make this a little bit bigger. View, zoom in. Okay, a little bit bigger. Okay, using TypeScript make a sample array that has objects that look like the object that we had, objects that look like this. Okay, using TypeScript make a sample array that has objects that look like that. On each object give it a day from this week, or let's tell it better, make an array with events for 7 days from today until next Monday. Okay. Each day will have an event as in the sample object. The start will be from today. Make an array for 7 days until next Monday. Let's put that here. The start will be from today. Each day have 3 events as in the sample object. The dates for each event, for the dates for each, the times for each day events are as follow. What do we say? 12 p.m. We said 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m. (12 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m.). The times for each day are as follows. 12 p.m. Okay. Location online. Set title. Make the title for the event the date, like the date with mock data, like Monday science meeting. Monday science meeting, and the title, let's change it. Monday science title meeting 1. So put the name of the day and 1, 2, or 3 on the title. Alright, let's see what it comes up with. It created the array. Okay. We wanted a TypeScript program, but what is it doing? I have to tell it better. Yes, that's the pattern. Good. Make the TypeScript code to make this happen on React Native. No, what scroll view? What scroll view? Just make a the array as a console log. Okay, that looks better. So, okay, suggested some way with force. Okay. Alright, and how do we test that? Do I have any React Native running? And seems that I have to get my instance running. So I'll get it running and come back soon. Okay, that was a little example, but let me set it up so it runs and come back soon. All the best. Alright, so to complete the task, I think the best thing, let's just create a node little app that writes a file with the objects. So let's tell that now to Chato. So now create a script that makes that array, but for a node program, and write a file named mock calendar.ts with the contents for the array. Like export default objects. Okay, meanwhile, let's open something to try this. Could be these utils. And this is called create mock events array. Let's make it the JavaScript. Okay, I don't think this is TypeScript ready, but let's see. Okay. Oh, look at this. It created a file and it gave it to us. Download file. Interesting. Let's see, downloads. More calendar TS. What is that? Is that the file that we wanted? So it didn't understand that I wanted to create a... What is that? Is that... Let's delete this. And now, what did you make, Chato? More calendar TS. What is that? Where are you? Mock calendar.ts. Let's open this new window. Okay. I see. Alright, so this is the actual node file. Interesting. So that quickly, let's run it. Let's go again to our utils. What happens if I drop you here? Will you be there? Mock calendar. Looks like it. Now, terminal. Of course, because this is so huge, I cannot even see. these windows. Okay, parts terminal. Okay, so let's say node mock calendar ts. Of course, because we don't have write file from file system. We don't have file system in our package JSON. Let's see. FS. We don't have FS. Okay. So where were you? That's the downloads. That's not the one. We have this one from FS. So let's tell FS. Are we using yarn? Okay, so terminal, which is going to say yarn add fs. Let's see what happened now. Type. Okay, maybe write file. Anyway, I have to go for a meeting. I'll be back soon and we complete this. Excellent. Chat soon. Okay, now we're back. Let's see what happened. Yeah. So what happened is that Chato is brilliant, but at the same time it's like a intern that is brilliant but makes really silly mistakes. So a silly mistake that he made here, let's see what it is he gave us a file called mockcalendar.js. Let's see, a file is called mockcalendar.js, right? And it did the processing, it does the processing correctly according to the task, perfect. But the output, it made it to the same file, or to mockcalendar.js. So once the output happens, the output will overwrite all of this code. Maybe he thinks that's fine, but let's make another name for the result. So we save that. Good, and now let's run it. So node mock calendar.js. Cool, has been saved. And now we see this file mock calendar result. Here it is. Let's check. Start at 1, finish at 3, meeting Tuesday. Okay. At 4, finish at 6. Okay. At 6, finish at 8, Tuesday. Nice. Another one, Wednesday, science meeting 2. Yes, science meeting 3 at 6. Yeah, it seems correct. Excellent. So that was a little example of programming a task with Chato. We'll be doing more, and see you soon.